Hello, and welcome to Food Archiving for the Future. We're cooking with Miss Dorothy Sweets and others. Thank you, like, and subscribe.
Today I'm doing a brownie, a walnut and a pecan brownie. So I'm using Betty Crocker, milk chocolate, and fudge. I mix the two together because I want them to look more like milk chocolate than fudge. I'm going to use a half a cup of milk because I'm doing 2 boxes. One box called for a quarter of a cup, so I'm going to a half a cup. So I'm going to do 1 full cup of oil. And I'm going to put 4 eggs in it. So now I have all my ingredients in there but the nuts. So I'm going to mix it real good with the spoon, and then I'm going to use the cake mixer to take all the lumps and everything out so it'll be real nice and smooth. And then I'll put the pecans and walnuts in there.
Again, guys, we'd like to say thanks. We're here at Food Archiving for the Future. Simple and easy. Store brand.
Okay, now I'm going to take the cake mixer and get all the lumps out. And it'll be well blended. Okay, now I'm going to put my chopped pecans and walnut in my brownie filling. I put a little flour in there so the nuts won't be all in one place. They'll be all over the brownie. So now I'm going to stir it up real good to get them mixed in the brownie mix. And then after I do that, we're going to do a pan. I'm going to spread it real good because I want it to come out whole. You need to get the walls of the pan really greased because if not, you might have a problem trying to take it out. I'm going to try to make it as even as possible.
Hello, this is Michael with Food Archiving for the Future. And we are cooking with my mother, Miss Dorothy Sweets and others. Like to say thank you for the likes. Please subscribe so when the next videos come out, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you so much.
So I'm going to take my spatula, I'm going to clean my spoon off. I'm going to take walnuts and pecans and put on the top. So what I usually do, I start off with a row of walnuts. And then I do a row of pecans.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so then I'm just going to put a few whole ones in between. So however you cut it, you will have you a piece of either a whole or pecan or walnut.
Surprise in each bite. Oh, yes.
Okay, it's ready now. The brownie has baked, so we're going to take it out of the pan. And we're going to put it on this right here. I don't have a plate long enough for it, so I'm going to use this. And there you are.
Wow.
It's a nut brownie. It has walnuts and pecans all the way through it and on the top.